Hey guys, welcome to Lognaps. Today I'll be showing how to download and install the TradingView mobile app on your phone. And now let's start right in. Now to download and install the TradingView mobile app, first open up your Play Store on your device like this. And on the search bar, you can see at the top of the screen, tap over there and type in TradingView like this and tap on search. And then you can see guys, the TradingView app is available over here. Tap on install, and then the TradingView app will be downloaded and installed on your device momentarily. Wait for it. And there guys, the TradingView app has been installed. Let's open it. And there guys, the TradingView app has been successfully downloaded and installed on our Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.